Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. The stiffness of many materials will change as a function of load application and deformation. Here we'll look at the parameters required to define and control this non-linear behaviour. Linear analysis assumes constant material stiffness as load is applied. In this section, we look at the change to this stiffness as a ductile material exceeds the yield stress. In defining the non-linear material behaviour, we need to specify the material stress-strain relationship up to and past the point of yield. There are a number of methods for defining both the yield behaviour and the post-yield response. You'll gain a full understanding of these criteria and how they can be applied to your models. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses and we hope to see you on a course really soon.